he was pretty zen, really.
And again, you know, what we saw, his Hyundai started well, not as well as Norby. Norby got away really, really quickly. But unfortunately, the track was so narrow with the two Golfs in front, he couldn't make any headway. Very slow starts for Aurélien Comte and for Ivan Muller. And a slow start as well for Gordon Shedden. And then the Volkswagen side-by-side. Benani with the inside. Huff trying to come back around the outside so that he gets position for the tight turn 6. And then contact into the barriers they go. Norby gets a hit. It is, in fact, Benani's car that basically almost came through Ted Björk's windscreen. Brief fire, as he said. He hit the extinguisher button that put everything out. And this is what it looked like from the next closest seat in the house. This is real speed. Where are you going? You try and avoid the accident, and it comes to find you. Slow start for Ivan Muller, ahead of Esteban Guerrieri. Guerrieri out-dragged as well by Gabriele Tarquini. Tarquini coming by John Philippi. And look how much you can see, absolutely nothing. And then suddenly everything is stationary, and that was the hit. Guerrieri rather, shunted into the back, or into the side of the Golf, and the big hit from behind, I think, was a big concertina affair.
Yeah.
Jan Erlache's view.
Testament just how strong these cars are, and you know, hopefully we'll await confirmation, but at the moment it looks like there's nobody with any serious injuries. But yeah, clearly a very, very big accident.
Yeah. It did look as though Ivan Muller was in second on the grid. Now, normally they'll try and select neutral in the gearbox. Oof. Barriers already ripped out there before he gets to the scene.